Bonjour everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to make French learning easy for everyone. And if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and share your views in the comment box. Merci tout le monde. Good morning friends. Today I'm starting with a new lesson for the beginners. This will be a series of lessons by learning few words you can understand and speak French. We have here the lesson number 1, Monsieur, which means sir, and Mr. Madame, which means madam, and Mrs. Mademoiselle, Miss. Monsieur, as we write in English, Mr. In French, we write with M full stop. Mrs. In English, we write. In French, we write with M-M-E, which means Mrs. In English, we write Mademoiselle means Miss, but in French, we use the word for the Miss, M-double-L-E. So, Monsieur, Madame, Mademoiselle. Bonjour, Monsieur, which means good morning. Sir, hello, sir. You can say bonjour, madame, bonjour, mademoiselle. We have a word bonsoir, good evening. You can use the word bonsoir, monsieur, bonsoir, madame, bonsoir, mademoiselle. Good evening, sir, good evening, madam, and good evening, miss. Au revoir. You can say au revoir, monsieur, au revoir, madame, au revoir, mademoiselle. Goodbye, sir, goodbye, madam, goodbye, miss. Salut means hi. This is used among friends. You can use the word with salut, Ravi, salut, Rima, salut, Vinod, hi. Then we have a word à bientôt, see you soon. You can say à bientôt, monsieur, à bientôt, madame, à bientôt, mademoiselle. À demain, see you tomorrow. À demain, monsieur, à demain, madame, à demain, mademoiselle. Comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va, monsieur? Comment ça va, madame? Comment ça va, mademoiselle? Here I have written only the positive answer, bien, merci. By learning these words, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, bonjour, monsieur, bonjour, madame, bonsoir, au revoir, salut, à bientôt, à demain, comment ça va, bien, merci. You can understand the following conversation, which we have in the Salut Nita, salut Athènes, comment ça va? Bien, merci. Au revoir Nita, au revoir Athènes et à bientôt. Hi Nita, hi Athènes, how are you? Well, thank you. Bye bye Nita, bye bye Athènes, and see you soon. Another dialogue. Nita, comment ça va? Ça va. Bon, au revoir, au revoir. À demain, Mona. Nita, how are you? Fine. Good. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Mona. Another dialogue. In the class, you can wish someone, bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, mademoiselle. Bonjour, Athènes. So, while learning these few words, you may have noticed some of the things. The French has the same alphabets as English. In French, accents are essential. They are there for a reason, so you must include them when writing. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you about two accents, Lasidei and accent grave. Lasidei is an accent we put on C. When C word only is in front of A, O, and U, it changes the sound of a C. Hard sound to a soft sound. Example, C generally has a sound of a K, and when you write the Sedai, it has a sound, soft sound, S. Or in Hindi, you can say the word, it changes from K sound to Sa sound. Accent grave is used on vowels. It produces A sound on E. So students, I hope this lesson will motivate you to learn French. I will be making the series of these lessons for you to make French easy, interesting, and a language which you can learn. Thank you. Bonjour, au revoir, mes amis.